Keep your MaxFlow M Pro 25 performing at its best with regular maintenance and cleaning. Let's walk you through the basics. Before starting any maintenance, make sure the unit is fully shut down. Press the power switch until it pops up and unplug the cord. Then aim the spray gun in a safe direction and hold the trigger down for 10 seconds. This is to release any residual pressure. Finally, engage the safety lock on the trigger. If you notice reduced pressure or an uneven spray, your nozzle might be clogged. Remove the nozzle by pulling down the collar. Use the supplied cleaning needle to dislodge debris. Then rinse thoroughly with clean water. A clogged inlet screen can restrict water flow and damage the pump. Remove the screen, rinse away any dirt, and replace it. Ensure the rubber seal sits firmly at the bottom with the convex side facing out. After approximately 80 hours of use, it's time to change the pump oil. Unplug the unit and ensure all pressure is released. Remove the front cover and breather valve. Then lay the unit flat on a padded surface. Using the supplied Allen wrench, loosen the drain bolt and tilt the unit to fully release old oil into a proper waste container. Fill the supplied bottle with 300 milliliters of 15W40 high-pressure pump oil. Align the nozzle with the breather valve hole and slowly squeeze the oil in. Wipe any residue, reinsert the valve, and replace the front cover. And avoid over-tightening the screws.